Welcome to BEHR Presents How to Paint Your Kitchen Cabinets. Together, we'll walk you through some simple steps to give your kitchen a fresh new look. To get the job done right, you'll need some tools. You might even have some of them already. For the ones you don't have, you can pick them up at your local Home Depot. Before you get started, you'll want to pick the right color for your kitchen. BEHR has a wide variety of different choices, so take your time and find a color that feels right. All right, you're ready to start. Grab your screwdriver and remove the hardware, doors, and drawers from your cabinets. Oh, and if you notice that your cabinets have a glossy finish, you'll want to remove it by sanding prior to painting. Clean the surface and gently sand. This will remove any gloss and help your new paint adhere. Wipe off the excess dust. And remember, you may need to add a coat of primer. Okay, it's go time. After taping off the kitchen counter and cutting in, paint the panels in hard-to-reach areas starting from the inside out. Using your brush, cut in along the top of the frame. There's no rush here, just take your time. Next, move on to the side of the frame. The trick here is making sure that you go in the direction of the wood grain. Okay, let's move on to the doors and drawers. Before you start, lay your doors flat on a saddle. Starting from the inside, paint out toward the edges. To make sure the colors are as rich as possible, you might want to consider adding a second coat. And don't worry, the paint will smooth out as it dries. Once it's completely dry, you can replace the doors and drawers and install your new hardware. Thanks for painting your cabinets with us. If you're looking for other projects, check out some of our newest BEHR how-to videos.